Pumanaw na ang dating aktor na si Red Sternberg nito lamang Martes, Mayo 27, 2025 sa edad na 50 taong gulang. Nakilala noong dekada 90 si Red Sternberg bilang isa sa mga main casts ng programang TGIS. Mismo ang asawa ni Red Sternberg na si Sandy ang nagkumpirma sa social media sa malungkot na balitang ito. Ipinost ito ni Sandy ngayong araw Mayo 30, 2025 sa ika-51 kaarawan sana ni Red Sternberg.
It is hard to find the words right now to say that this has been the most difficult time I have ever gone through my whole life. To be greeted happy birthday and sorry for your loss at the same time. 3 consecutive days of what was supposed to be a celebration full of birthdays. May was our month. 5th, 28th, 29th, and 30th. My husband suddenly passed away the morning of Tuesday, May 27th. To those who knew him from his early acting days, he was Kiko, but to our 3 kids and I, he was simply Daddy Dada. Today would have been his 51st birthday. Please keep our family in your thoughts and prayers. I would kindly request our need for privacy at this time as we navigate this difficult journey. Memorial arrangements will be shared soon.
Kinumpirma din ni Direk Mark Reyes, ang direktor noon ng TGIS, na totoo ang balitang pumanaw na si Red Sternberg.
The entire TGIS Barkada is heartbroken to lose one of our own. We just confirmed with Red's wife Sandy Sternberg of his passing a few days ago. Their family requests privacy at this time, and your kind understanding as they navigate this sudden passing of Red. Kiko, we love you and we're giving you a group hug right now.
Ikinagulat din ni Rica Peralejo ang balitang pagpanaw ng dati niyang kasamahan noon sa TGIS na si Red Sternberg. Sa ipa ni Rica, labis niya daw itong ikinalulungkot. Maging si Michael John Flores ay ikinalungkot din ang biglaang pagpanaw ng kanyang co-star noon sa TGIS. Hindi idinetalye ang dahilan ng biglaang pagpanaw ni dating aktor na si Red Sternberg sa edad na 50 taong gulang. Subalit ayon sa kumakalat na balita, atake daw sa puso o cardiac arrest ang posibleng dahilan ng biglaang ikinamatay nito, subalit hindi pa ito kumpirmado.